I've been exploring the Pizza Hut mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Pizza Hut app. Pizza Hut's app is designed to make ordering your favorite pizza faster and easier, whether you want delivery, takeout, or curbside pickup. Instead of calling or waiting in line, the app lets you browse the full menu, customize your pizza with the Easy Pizza Builder, and track your order in real time, all from your phone. When it comes to features, the app includes quick, fast paths that let you reorder your favorites in just a few taps, plus flexible navigation if you want to explore deals and new menu items. You can place future orders up to 7 days ahead and earn free pizza with the Hut Rewards program. Contactless ordering options add convenience, and you can pay with cash, card, or gift cards. The app also keeps your previous orders saved, so reordering is a breeze. From my personal experience, I found the setup and ordering process pretty straightforward. I appreciated how quickly I could build a customized pizza and check out without hassle. The delivery tracking worked well, giving me peace of mind about when my pizza would arrive. Occasionally, the app felt a bit clunky, like when I tried to change my crust flavor, it wasn't very intuitive, and I had to restart the order. Also, the payment section wasn't very user-friendly at times, and I wish they had Apple Pay. But overall, it saved me time and made ordering convenient, especially when I just wanted my favorite pie fast. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, some users report bugs or slowdowns, and the interface could use refinement to speed up ordering steps. A few features like payment options or editing orders can be frustrating, especially for first-timers. And while Hut Rewards are a nice perk, redeeming points isn't always straightforward. All in all, the Pizza Hut app does a solid job making pizza ordering simple and lets you tap into rewards easily. If you want quick access to your favorite pizza without calls or waiting, it's definitely worth downloading. Just expect a few occasional quirks in the experience. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.